So respected judges, we, Team Blockchain, presenting your solution on problem statement ID 25185, which requires us to make an AI-powered DPR quality assessment and risk prediction system for MDoNER. DPR is basically detailed project review, and MDoNER is Ministry of Development of Northeastern Region. So basically, let's quickly understand what the problem is. In this problem statement, there are 6 to 8 local governments like eastern state governments like Mizoram and all that. So basically, whenever they have to do some construction and do some government project like road construction, hospital construction, and anything like that, they have to give the report to MDoNER, and they will verify the report and allocate budget and all that, sanction the project so that the project can be made. So all this process first, initially all this project was done through offline, sending the physical reports and doing through mail and all that. So what they wanted like to decrease the time for physical submission of reports and reviews of giving reviews physically, like going in person. They want to reduce time and make this process efficient. So they introduce a portal, Purvottar Vikas Setu portal. What this portal does, this basically have two users like state governments and ministries inline and MDoNER. Basically state governments upload a file, upload a DPR report concept note, and MDoNER or ministries basically review those all reports and make the required comments, like they have to submit the report again. And so let me tell you the unique innovations of our project. So first, we are using all the Indian sovereign stack like Bhashni API and Meghraj Cloud, Bhashni API for deep multilingual support, and we are also using explainable AI, which will explain all the report by itself by analyzing on the past data. And we are introducing DPR comparison. Basically, what it does, whenever a state submits the DPR document after the comments from MDoNER, like you have to clarify these things, they submit the new DPR. So basically, what we are offering is like we'll compare both the DPRs and tell you like what is there in the new DPR which was not in the earlier DPR. And we are also providing a tamper-proof based system. Like if in any project any DPR is tampered after the time by any hacker or by something tampered or corrupted, so that we can know by how we are doing it. We are doing it using hashing technique. We are currently using SHA-256 for the prototype version, but we'll be using it mutations in the real app, so that this whole document process can be tampered and can be known if someone tampered the document any DPR. So let me quickly take you to the prototype we have made. We are basically integrating this whole AI system with existing Purvottar Vikas Setu portal. Basically we'll be applying get APIs and fetch get and post APIs, so that files can be taken from Purvottar portal and be given to our AI model so that it can analyze and give results on the Vikas Setu portal. So for integration, so what we'll do, we'll first, there is a prototype for Purvottar portal. So basically what we'll do, the straight user sign in, it's already hard coded because we have only some users for this. So what they'll do, they'll start, and let's suppose they are starting a new project name is Meghalaya school construction, and description is somewhat like new government school, and project type is basically based on education. So like let's create a project. Then after creating a project, it will what a state will do, state ministry who's responsible for the construction will upload a document. Let's drag and upload a demo document. We are uploading here, open, and now after uploading validate, it will wait for this document to get approved by the MDoNER. So they'll see this and will do the manual verification earlier, but now we are using our AI system which will verify this document trained on the past data. So after uploading, like we'll wait for the verification done by the MDoNER. Now what we'll do, let's log out and let's log in through the MDoNER account, like signing in. Now we have one. Now we have one pending review. Like it is shown in the one pending review like this is. After opening this, we'll see like there is a DPR uploaded. Now we can generate analysis. Instead of doing manual verification, we are generating it through the AI, which is a system. Basically, it will fetch from the Purvottar Vikas Setu portal, and it will give the results to them AI dashboard. So basically this is the executive summary. Here we have used just prototype, but in actual dashboard we are using many things. We are using unique features like GIS feature. Like it will basically show the current live status of the project going on through the satellite. We are using Bhuvan ISRO satellite for that. And we are also giving features like proper timeline of the project. It will be shown in the visualizations, like when the project is starting and when the project is completed. We are taking everything like checking the completeness of the project and checking the vulnerabilities and checking the inconsistencies in the project. Like in one section it is given like this project will take around 6 to 8 months, and in the next section we are mentioning it will take around 12 months. So this is an inconsistency which will be detected by our AI powered solution. And also what we are doing, we are we are telling the user, like we are telling the MDoNER that this project, that's somewhat like some like these projects already happening in the current state. What are the situation, like they are running late, they are overrun, their cost increasing, their time is delayed. Like it will tell everything about the project in the entire neighborhood and all that. So these are our unique features of this project. Now after generating analysis, it will basically accept and reject the of a MDoNER can accept and reject the file, and the end part will be taken, and the end step will be taken by the manual verification, obviously by the person, because AI is still growing and we have to train on very large data so that we can train a very efficient model. So it will take time and it will be like proper AI based after some time, after training on the very huge data. So this is all for a prototype. So the key challenges of this project are basically training the AI model on very huge data set from the non-traditional documents. It will require very much time and will take very much effort. We'll do it. And second is integrating the existing platform with this, like Purvottar Vikas Setu portal, integrating that platform with AI powered platform. And basically feasibility and viability of this project it's very easy. It's very easy for any non-technical staff to understand this whole. In future aspects, we are thinking of introducing a conversational chatbot for the user state governments, because they, before submitting document directly to the MDoNER for further verification, cutting this step and introducing a chatbot so that they can itself check the completeness and consistency in the DPR system, which they in the DPR which they are going to submit to the MDoNER. Basically, this will save time and this will help in the time efficient management, which all we want from AI based system. Thank you. That's all viewers for the project. Thank you.